Oh yeah, day 4 on the Magnuson install. It's not because the job took 4 days, it's because it had a wrong part. Magnuson 05 Silverado. Putting the heat exchanger on. Got the holes already in the bracket. Little makeshift radiator support type bracket they made for you there. But what held us up, this is the one this fuel line adapter, they give us the wrong stuff. And then Dimitri tried to knock himself out putting that belt on. Almost did it. So let's see. Made himself blind. Did the fuel pump first. Then that was the weird part, is they give you a tuner, and then we had to like download. Yeah, we had to record the factory tune, and then send it to Magnuson, and then they modify the tune. They send it back to you, and then you tune it before you install it. That was kind of weird and a little bit of a hassle.
It's kind of makes sense. So when you start it up, it's ready to go.
Well, I would expect it to be like one of those Diablos where it's, you know, 91 octane tune, 93 octane tune. It's already pre-programmed, but I guess, well, for whatever reason, but that's how that worked out. And then I guess the only other cheesy part so far was this bracket that had to be, you take the alternator and power steering pump off.
See it, so which is
And
kind of
and where the manifold meets the head behind this idler, that all had to be sawzalled off, ground off.
grinder.
So, really interested.
I looked like a silver bullet when I got done. Silver Surfer.
Looking forward to see what this old workhorse can do with this thing bolted up. California compliant blower install.
We should have filmed the cherry picker dropping. That was classic.
We got a power steering cooler here.
Yeah.
Wow, rusty as hell. There's some Burning Man dirt right there.
You talking about some tolerances there? Woo, buddy.
Is that my tranny cooler? Yeah. Well, so much for the tranny cooler.
That was so cool. That's some close ass tolerances right there.
There's this one had the heavy duty tow package. It's got a transmission cooler back here. That's freaking close. You got about 1/8 of an inch between them, but it does fit. I didn't have to do anything, so I'll give them that. And I guess the hoses go through here, hook up to the back of the intake. But yeah, so be curious. Bone stock did a run about 2 weeks before on a draggy, 1582 at 89 miles an hour with a little bit of wheel spin, feathering it off the line, a little bit of wheel spin on a stock motor with 87 octane. So hoping it'll break 100 with this setup. And
I think the front went down about